did I do?
If Pitbull would be a pit too.
How do they know which name goes first?
We did Comedy Showcase.
Yeah, to be in your presence. Tell us about you on Dancing with the Stars as well, right? And,
I was never in a movie called Little Weapon. What do you call?
tell me about the movie Lethal Weapon. Yeah.
Logical. Subliminal no information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable.
We did Comedy Showcase.
Oh, you did?
Yes. All right.
Like a cross-disciplinary, transdisciplinary, and multidisciplinary. This is what you call surrealism or surrealistic. Surrealistic when there's a disparity between two objects.
Yes. All right. Here we go.
Look at we're on a cable TV network right now. I mean, this is just unbelievable.
An interdisciplinary analysis of sound.
Predicated on linguistics, language.